more tightness in this hip than the other one. Is that painful?
Yep.
Yeah. Just a little bit of the myofascial release real quick here in the hip, but a lot of times along the glute up here, there's trigger points and tension, myofasciitis, that type of thing going on, which I know you can feel that, right? That's pretty tender.
Yep.
Yeah. So anyway, that's just one of the little things that we manage, is that soft tissue as well, along with getting you adjusted. But go ahead and get this upper back. And deep breath in. Out. And again. Out.